Xiaomi has officially launched the Xiaomi 14T series globally yesterday, September 26th, in Berlin, Germany. In line with the global launch, Xiaomi Indonesia also confirmed the arrival of the Xiaomi 14T series on October 1st, 2024. The launch is highly anticipated as Xiaomi reintroduces the collaboration product with Leica, which offers a humanized night photography experience, highlighting emotions and narratives with humans as the central subject, unlimited by light conditions or environmental changes. If last year Xiaomi Indonesia only brought Xiaomi 14T to the home market, this year is a little different. Since the beginning of the announcement teaser, Xiaomi Indonesia has not only written Xiaomi 14T, but wrote it as Xiaomi 14T series. Xiaomi finally confirmed that not only the Xiaomi 14T, but also the Xiaomi 14T Pro will be present in the home market on October 1st, 2024. On this occasion, we are launching two flagship products, Xiaomi 14T and Xiaomi 14T Pro, designed to enrich the mobile photography experience of our users, especially those who enjoy exploring night photography, said Wentao Zhao, country director of Xiaomi Indonesia. The Xiaomi 14T series offers an amazing night photography experience with the latest Leica technology and advanced camera system. With support for Xiaomi AISP and the Fusion LM computing platform, the series provides sharp details and vibrant colors, even in difficult lighting conditions. The Xiaomi 14T Pro comes with a Summilux optical lens and Light Fusion 900 image sensor, while the Xiaomi 14T uses a Sony IMX906 sensor that produces stunning photos. Both models also support HDR cinematic video recording and a variety of advanced modes for professional quality. The Xiaomi 14T series takes productivity and creativity to the next level with advanced AI features, including search, voice, text, image, and video that make everyday life easier. With the support of computing power both on the device and the cloud, AI on the Xiaomi 14T series allows users to be more productive, travel smarter, and create content more easily. In collaboration with Google, the Xiaomi 14T Pro features Circle to Search, making it one of Xiaomi's first devices to carry this innovation. Users can directly search for any information that appears on the screen without the need to switch applications. In addition, Xiaomi 14T also comes with the Google Gemini app, which supports writing, studying, planning, and more. For greater productivity, AI Interpreter overcomes language barriers during meetings and calls. AI Notes and AI Recorder improve efficiency with voice-to-text transcription, accurate speaker recognition, and quick summaries. Real-time translation also ensures smooth multilingual communication. In the official statement, it is explained that the main focus of this upgrade is on night photography, allowing users to capture more vivid and detailed images under low light. With the concept of Master Light, Capture Night, the Xiaomi 14T series takes the ability to capture moments in the dark to the next level. The Summilux lens, with its larger aperture, is designed to capture more light and detail, giving it an edge in low-light situations, while reinforcing Leica's character of emphasizing the humanistic touch of photography. The result is photos that are not only sharp, but also full of emotional nuances, reflecting the true nature of nightlife. Summicron and Summilux are Leica's leading lens technologies that have long been used in professional cameras. On the Xiaomi 13T, the Summicron lens with an aperture of 1.9 offers clear and precise images under normal lighting conditions. Now, with the Xiaomi 14T series, this technology comes with an aperture of up to 1.6, allowing more light to enter the camera sensor. This difference plays an important role in low-light conditions, such as at night. Users will experience photos that are brighter, more detailed, and still sharp. Also, the larger aperture allows for a softer and more natural bokeh effect, giving a more dramatic visual impression, in line with the Master Light capture night concept. The lens is designed to maximize every lighting opportunity, allowing users to capture vivid images even in environments with limited light. In night shooting situations, many users face the problem of unclear or noise-filled photos. The Summilux lens on the Xiaomi 14T series comes as a solution to this problem. With better light capturing capabilities and combined with increasingly sophisticated AI algorithms, the Xiaomi 14T series is promised to provide photos that remain sharp and rich in detail even in low-light conditions. This series link is not just about improving technical specifications, but is also said to bring about a more tangible, enhanced experience for users. With Summilux lenses, users will enjoy greater flexibility to capture the best moments in both day and night. High-quality image results in various lighting conditions is one of the added values that sets this series apart from its predecessors.